Hello everyone, I am Ishan Gupta. I secured rank 215 in the Civil Services examination. Currently I feel very humbled. I've sat on that side of the camera a number of times, a lot of times rather, and never really felt that so soon in this journey, I've been preparing for the last 3 years, that such a time will come. I'll be standing on such an august stage and addressing young people, the young futuristic leaders of the country, like many of you. This is my first such address to the people, so kindly bear with me if I just go out of my control. But I really thank Khan sir for providing us such an opportunity. For me, this journey has been very enriching. I started out preparing for the civil services 3 years ago, and before that I had been working in the private sector for close to 3 years. I had studied a lot during IIT JEE days back in 2019, 2009 to 11, cleared it. I was like, हो गई पढ़ाई, अब और नहीं पढ़ेंगे, अब अच्छी जॉब करेंगे, and then we'll get settled down. I was on a very high career path, well-paying job. But then maybe, at times there comes a moment, maybe an inflection point, where you feel that you are not made for this. There are greater things that you can do with your skill, with your hard work, with your perseverance. That is when I chose to deep dive into this preparation. My parents were very shocked. I suddenly called them up कि जॉब से रिज़ाइन कर दिया है, अब प्रिपेयर करेंगे. And I'm sure many of you would have similar stories. The entire journey has been extremely enjoyable. I've enjoyed every single day of learning new things, reading the newspaper, reading multiple magazines, listening to talks by various speakers, various mentors, Khan sir, and a lot of people. I've realized that every single day there was a Ishan Gupta being built who would thankfully one day, fortunately rather, be able to contribute to nation building. And as rightly pointed out by one of my co-speakers earlier, every day I was trying to wear that cap of an officer. Earlier also I used to follow every single rule, the traffic lights and everything. But once I was in this journey, when I used to see myself as an enforcer of that law, that was the time I used to think of many solutions. And that journey helped me in my preparation during my mains examination. A number of times, some of the solutions I have provided in the examinations have been slightly different from what we find in books, and that has really helped me in improving my score. Secondly, again, as some have pointed out, enjoyment, entertainment, they are, according to me, very key features of one's preparation. UPSC probably needs humans and not robots who can contribute, who can study continuously for 14 hours, 16 hours. You have to remain sane. Your mental health has to be completely under control. And therefore, I do believe one must have a good family circle, friend circle, the mentors. People are always there, but one has to reach out to them. Tough times come in everyone's lives, but I think we as individuals, once we remain strong, this journey, as it's called a marathon, I think sooner rather than later, all of us will have a chance to address such gatherings and the nation. Thank you so much.